In this video, we will explain what a near miss is and how to prepare a near miss report step by step. A near miss is an unplanned event or unsafe situation that did not result in injury, damage, or loss, but had the potential to do so. Near miss reporting allows us to learn from these events and prevent serious accidents before they happen. If you recognize or experience unsafe behavior or an unsafe event, take action immediately. Undertake or request immediate measures to protect people and equipment. The objective is to avoid repetition and prevent reoccurrence. Next, assess the safety criticality and decide what to do next. Critical: stop work immediately. Warning: continue conditionally, with controls in place. Informative: continue work as usual. Once the situation is safe, initialize the near-miss report as soon as possible after the event. Record the key event information, as follow with examples. Header: where, at workstation number 1, who witnessed, Tom Novak, shop floor operator, and who prepared, Tom Novak, with contact data, and when, 2nd of February, 2025. Then, mark the event criticality, example, warning. Describe what happened, enclose pictures as possible, example, oil leak next to the workstation. Describe what immediate actions were taken, example, the area was cleaned up immediately. The affected area was marked and protected. If possible, record additional information. This may include what is considered a root cause. For example, the tank was closed wrongly. The tank was not positioned even. What is considered corrective actions. For example, double-checking correctness of closing, using a closure plug with a gasket. Any additional notes worth sharing. Forward the completed near-miss report to the responsible safety person, such as the HSE manager. Near-miss reporting helps to prevent injuries and accidents, identify hazards early, improve safety awareness and culture, reduce operational risk. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Stay safe.